Okay, here I have our standard Google Sheet. Right, so you can see all the Google Sheet feature over here. And what I would like to do now is I would like to insert a header or a footer. Now, if you go into the insert tab on the top, right, you can see cell, row, sheet, right, even images and so forth, but you do not see the header footer. So how do I put in header footer inside here? Well, it's actually inside the print because this is when you set in your header and footer. All right. So if you look at this part over here, you will see the header and footer. Right, you can see page number, work title. Okay, so I can put in page number. You can see that over here, sheet name. Okay, current date, time. All right, so you can see the date. Oh, no time. Okay, all right, and you can even edit custom field over here. All right, see, you can put it over here. So I can even put, let's say, my name. All right, and confirm it. See that? All right. So this is where you play around with the header footer, right? Inside, right, the print section, not inside the worksheet.